Nikola, guys. It keeps on getting worse. It's currently about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast, and we have Nikola stock down another 11.5%, and now it's back under $1 per share yet again, and actually earlier in the day, it was under 90 cents. So we're going to break down the charts, talk about why the stock is falling right now, and my thoughts, all that good stuff. But before we do that, of course, guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below and get your free stocks for Moo up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. Once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, fund it with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks for a limited time. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, so get on it. Use that link down below. And now, folks, cheers. Well, I don't have any drink today, but cheers either way, and let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Nikola's down 12% right now, back under $1 for the first time since the beginning of June. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but this stock was at 52 cents at one point. That's actually the all-time low, or at least I believe it is. Let me double check, though. I'm pretty sure it is, yeah. 52 cents all-time low. And from that point, I'm not sure if you guys remember, Nikola went on a crazy run. We're talking from 52 cents all the way to 370. We're talking 600%. And well, that didn't last long now, did it, guys? Look at that. Now we're back under $1, 91 cents. Exactly, is where we're at. And earlier in the day, we were under 90 cents. We were at 88 cents to be exact. So now we were up 600%. Now we're back down probably 80-90%. 76% from the recent high of 370. And again, now we're at 91 cents, clearly downtrending over the past couple of weeks. We have a death cross. This is not looking good at all for Nikola. And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute, guys, you can see just how every single day pretty much Nikola's been beaten down day after day, day after day. And, it just hit a fresh low today again at 88 cents. So what in the world is going on with Nikola, you may ask? Well, let's dive into this article here, guys. Give me a second. Let me pop it up and show you guys. So you guys can see here a Nikola semi-truck reportedly caught fire on Monday in what could be the beleaguered EV maker's third such incident this year. You heard that right. Not the first time, not the second time, but this is actually the third time that a Nikola semi-truck reportedly caught fire, which in this case, it happened on Monday, so a couple of days ago. But either way, this is still very relevant, guys, and probably why the stock has been getting pummeled, not only today, but over the past couple of days, right? The lithium-ion cell battery of the Nikola semi-truck inside the Arizona lithium facility in Tempe caught fire around 5 p.m. according to ABC 15, and the fire was contained and the truck was subsequently removed from the building, and no injuries, thank God, were reported, according to the report. And quote, the fire was one thing, but bringing the truck outside was also a long process, according to ABC 15's TV reporter, yada, yada, yada. And coming down here a little bit more, crews at the Arizona lithium facility discovered a Nikola semi-truck inside the building with a lithium-ion cell battery ablaze. Ooh, guys, the flames were confined to the truck as firefighters worked to cool the battery with water. And videos capture the precautionary move to take the truck outside, with Tempe Fire stating that the aim was to separate the cell and safely store it away from the vehicle. So let me actually see if I could find a video of this, guys. I didn't know there was a video. Hold on. Let me see if I could find it. So I'm not exactly sure which one it is here, but it looks like here we can see this. All right. The semi-truck is on fire. I'm not sure exactly if that's it, but that's one image right here. Here's another image you guys can see after they brought him outside, I guess, outside of the facility where they're, trying to, get rid of that fire outside. So it says here, electric semi-trucks on fire in Phoenix. Foul play is suspected, according to this image right here. Of course, this is all alleged. We don't know exactly what started or how it started or who started it. Was it Nikola's fault? Did somebody start the fire? I have no freaking idea. But right now, no doubt, this is hurting the stock in the short term, at least in my personal opinion. And to make matters even worse, guys, last month, Nikola recalled all its battery-powered electric trucks in the market between dealers and customers after a series of fires opened up, an investigation. And probably, guys, let's be honest here, nobody started these fires. This is all Nikola's fault, most likely, allegedly. We don't know for sure yet. But look, on June 23rd, earlier this year, which was not that long ago, the fire affected, that was the first one, right? First caught fire. Yeah, that was the first fire on June 23rd. The fire affected multiple battery electric trucks behind the company's Phoenix headquarters. And later in July, one of the trucks caught fire again. So guys, if your trucks are catching fire every single freaking month like clockwork, yeah, there's a problem. They're not safe. There's a problem. It's a liability concern, which is for sure putting Nikola back even more. When was the date of that first fire? June 23rd? Tell me that's when the stock peaked. No, that's not when the stock peaked. Actually, not even close. But either way, look, 370 is where we did hit. Now we're at 91 cents. And guys, to be honest, this looks like it wants to go even lower. There are no signs of a reversal in sight, at least in my opinion. And overarching here on the 4-hour chart, we have a head and shoulders, which, full disclosure, we call that out, not to toot my own horn, a couple of weeks ago, did we not? And it seems like Nikola's just been downtrending, downhill ever since that point. And again, we're clearly under the moving averages on the 4-hour chart. We clearly have a death cross. And at this point, if you didn't get my drift, guys, if you guys didn't get my drift, well, I'm not interested at all in buying Nikola stock. I think it's a pure gamble. 3 semi-trucks caught on fire within the last 3 months. I mean, guys, 1 per month at this point. There's a lot of problems with this company, and I think it's just way too much of a liability concern until they get this problem under control. That's just, my opinion. And I've never been a big fan of Nikola to begin with, and this just, this is just making it even worse. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button and to subscribe and follow me on Twitter, guys, or X at Stas Talk Stocks or StasserFest. I'm getting way more active on Twitter, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000, guys. Just use that link down below or go to StasserFest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, fund it with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So get on it, use that link down below. And now, cheers, I'll catch you guys in the next one.